Practice problems for the Spiral 3 review, Algebra 1. The Spiral 3 exam. So let's look at numbers 1 and 2. This is finding the mean, but when we already know the mean, what we're looking for is a missing value. Chris earned money helping his neighbor over the last 6 months. The average amount that he made per month was $73. For 5 of the months, Chris made these amounts: $75, $64, $81, $72, and $82. What did he make the 6th month? So you know when we find the mean or the average of something, we add up the values, divide by the number of values that we have, and then that equals the mean. In these type of problems, we have to work backwards. So we put the amounts that we know, and we're going to add them up. And then we need a placeholder for that missing value because it says, we're looking for what he made the 6th month. So that's our x. We're going to divide all that by 6 and then set that equal to the average or the mean amount. Now to solve, we have to get x by itself, which is up here in the numerator. So what we need to do is undo the math. So notice that x is being added to all those values and divided by 6. So let's start by undoing the division. If we multiply each side by 6, we'll just bring down what we have in the numerator. And then 73 times 6 is 438. Then we'll add up all our values. And when we do that, we get 374. So now we have 374 plus that missing amount equals 438. So to solve, we're just going to subtract that 374 from both sides to get x by itself. Sorry, it's just my dog. So x equals 64. So $64 is the amount that Chris made in the 6th month. Now the next problem, number 2, Morgan received emails each day this school week. The average number of emails a day that she received was 9.6. So there's the mean. If she received 12 on Monday, 11 on Tuesday, 10 on Wednesday, 8 on Thursday, how many did she receive on Friday? So we do not know what that amount is, so we put a placeholder. And then we divide it by the number of values, which includes the x, which is 5. We set that equal to 9.6. So we'll work it the same way as we did number 1. We want to undo the division first by multiplying. And then we can go ahead and add those values next to the x. And we'll get 41 plus x equals 48. 9.6 times 5 is 48. And now we'll subtract 41 to find out how many emails that she received on Friday. So she received 7 emails.